we're sick of that there computer, so we're gonna make it wireless, and this is how you do it. You put it on that in there, refrigerators, and then you go like this, and you go. And then you go like this.
I get to shoot some.
Oh, fine.
Yay.
Not my turn. Now this is how you really do it. Oh, no. Okay.
Hold that.
Then
Let's reload.
yeah, you hold it.
But I want to shoot.
Fine, I'll hold it.
Woo!
And we'll show you the final product.
I'm loaded. Are you?
I'm stuck.
Are you? What do you mean you're stuck?
I'm stuck. It's not supposed to have that. Shut up! Just shoot it! Oh, son of a gun.
You want to hold this while you mess with your thing?
I got it!
Okay, I'm waiting on you.
Fine,
Here,
I guess
I'll
shoot
hold
it
your
first.
thing. No, I'm shooting it first.
Fine.
Woo!
My turn!
My hands are cold.
Don't.
Finish her.
Now, come on.
Let's go take a look at this thing. Ah, it's moving. I think it's gone.
It didn't attack. And that there is how you make a computer wireless.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's almost like there's not even a screen in it.
It looks
Look at it, it's even lighter. See that?
I got this.
Beautiful work.